warmer than I thought it was today. I woke up to that cool mountain air.
It's like something out of a movie. I've been transported to another world. Well, this is the most charming little town. Little shops, lots of restaurants. That was so fun.
Helen, Georgia is something that everyone needs to see at least once in their lifetime. I'm driving through the Chattahoochee Forest right now. Stunning views here. Still don't know where I'm staying tonight.
What I didn't realize is that it's Labor Day weekend. So things are crazy. I don't have a place to stay yet tonight. Wow, what a view. What an incredible view. We made it to the mountains. Man, what a breath of fresh air. So it's Labor Day weekend and I totally forgot about that. All the campgrounds are booked solid. This is the first night that I've actually spent not in an official campground. And I ended up just pulling into this super Walmart. And I knew that some Walmarts allowed that, but like, how do you know which ones do and which ones don't? And I'm not sure. I definitely don't want to get a knock on my door in the middle of the night. So I'll report back in the morning. This was a drastic temperature change. It dropped like 10 degrees Celsius from yesterday, just from being up in higher elevation, I guess. I'm sitting here with my door open and just enjoying the fall weather. I just entered the Great Smoky Mountain Expressway. So I don't know if these are the Appalachian Mountains, if they're the Blue Ridge Mountains, if they're the Smoky Mountains. I just don't know, but they're beautiful.
If I had a car, we'd drive down to the ocean. You call it Elmore, and we'd lay out in the sand. And if the sun was shining, I'd cover you with lotion. Talk about the fine.
I'm just outside of Asheville. I don't drink beer. I don't even like beer, but I do like trying local things. You can pick your own flowers. They make their own honey here, and there's some local honey in every beer.
Oh, she could steal, but she could not bow to anybody to her.
Morning. I stayed at a Hampton Inn last night, I believe. Not at the hotel, but I mean, I parked there. And, yeah, I didn't want to overstay my welcome, so I literally just woke up, grabbed my keys. I'm just moving to a little dog park that's, 5 or 10 minutes away. And I'll set up there, eat my breakfast, take a shower, all that. It's kind of fun, I almost feel like a little kid that snuck out of her parents' house, It's kind of that type of feeling, still in my pajamas. Oh, and I did put on a bra, We're in the hills. I found a trail here. It's kind of off the beaten path. Well, the path is a little beaten.
50 cents to climb this tower. 9 stories high. That was one hell of a scary climb. My toes are like tingling.
I'm at a place called Mile High Campground. Unreal. This is where I'm staying tonight. Oh my god. I feel so lucky. I gotta find Cookie now. She's just always trying to explore. I don't let her go far. She's usually under the van. This is actually a scary sight to let her get too far because it's like steep drop off. If it'll just keep going long enough to cook my meal. I mean, I really didn't have firewood. I had these dinky little sticks and some kindling, cardboard. I love this crisp weather. What a feeling of relaxation, of peace, of not having to make plans for tomorrow. Sweet dreams.